Hi there, students. Legerdemain. Legerdemain is a noun. Let's see. I think nowadays it's probably most commonly used to say skillfully hiding the truth in order to trick people. So politicians are always using legerdemain to gain confidence and to gain votes. Legerdemain can also be tricks, magic tricks done with the hand. So the magician normally has an act of legerdemain with floating balls and making a rabbit appear out of a hat. Okay, sleight of hand. He displayed his legerdemain with cards and coins, making the coin disappear. But legerdemain as well, we can also use it to mean a display of skill. So he dealt with the matter with legerdemain. But I think, a diplomatic legerdemain. But I think when we use it like this, it's implying that they've used trickery, to get what they want or to get the agreement. So in business, there is a lot of legerdemain, which is not illegal. Or, for example, supermarkets, the way they put prices and the places they put things. A lot of this, I think, is clever legerdemain. It's trickery, or it's guiding you in one direction to believe something is good value. An artful trick, if you like. Okay, so legerdemain, a sleight of hand, magic tricks, or a show of skill or ability at deceit, is effectively tricking people to get them to believe something by actually hiding the truth. But that's what a magician does. If you write your report with a bit of legerdemain, you're going to look like the best businessman that there ever has been. Let's just hope they don't investigate it. So legerdemain in a report is a good way of showing the positive side of something. The reporters were tricked by the legerdemain of his speech. The magician's legerdemain is quite incredible. Darren Brown is a real master of legerdemain. If you haven't seen him, you should watch him. He's very good. Okay, so legerdemain. How formal is this? This is quite a formal word. I think I would give it a 7 in formality. I think informally a trickery, deceit, something like that. And then the origin, this word clearly comes from French. I would probably say it's a French phrase. In Middle French you have Legerdemain. Leger, Leger, means light, and main is hand, so light of hand. So being dexterous and skillful at fooling other people. Being very good at making them, at tricking them. So skillful at magic. And in French, legerdemain. Okay, so legerdemain. Tricky, very tricky. I got him to believe what I said using philosophical legerdemain. To see that to prove that the clairvoyant was the real thing, They needed to eliminate all chances of legerdemain. Yeah, financial legerdemain, accounting legerdemain. Yeah, you hide the truth so that people believe things are rosy. Legerdemain in accounting is legendary. Okay, so a fairly formal word, comes from French. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Legerdemain.